Okay. Wait. Put your fork down. Whoa.
Wow. Doing CrunchBaby.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
So I needed this.
Okay.
Daddy have anything?
Uh-huh. I have this and this. Okay.
And this?
Uh-huh. What's this? What is this?
That's
Chopsticks. Okay. And what about in Japanese?
poodle.
It's not podo.
What about the
Okay, what else? What are we doing today?
CrunchBaby?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, just like the Crunch Bros, we're doing pho. Wow. Noodles.
Noodle.
So this is Kaya's pho plate or pho bowl here. And then look at, we have spring rolls, Kaya.
Pringle.
Yeah, spring rolls. And then do you know what this is? It's a pastry. Yeah. And then look at sandwich. It's a banh mi.
Mommy,
Yeah, it's a banh mi. Are you ready to eat? Itadakimasu.
it's mine.
Ooh. Oh, do you want to take a bite of this one or do you want noodle first? Noodles. Okay. I'll eat with you too. Okay. And if you guys are wondering, yes, this is my second time eating tonight with Kaya.
What?
Mmm. How's your noodle? Is it good? Yes.
Eat more.
Eat more. Okay. You too. Eat more. Daddy loves pho. Do you love pho?
What's up?
I dropped it. I got it. Ooh. I dropped it again. Oh, wow.
They got 5.
Oh, I dropped 5. Wow. Okay, ready? Here. Try this one. This one's really good. Give it a try. Oh. Can you show the camera? Ooh, delicious. Can I have a bite?
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Dad'll clean it later. Yeah? Mmm.
More.
More? Okay. Well, Kaya, do you want to try a spring roll? No? You don't want to try a spring roll? Oh, here. Let me get you a little spring roll. It has shrimp in it. And I'll dip in here for you. Dip. Are you ready? Can I have it first? Oh, Kaya first or Daddy first?
Mommy, Mom.
Oh, no. What about me?
Kaya.
Oh, okay. Daddy?
Mommy.
Oh, okay, Mommy. Mommy's not here. Oh, you dropped it.
It's okay.
It's okay? Oh my gosh. Here. Dip. How is it? Is it good? Wow. Do you like noodle or chicken?
Noodle.
Noodle? Can Daddy have some of your noodles? Thank you. Wow. Thank you for sharing.
It's changing.
You're right. That was delicious. You want this bite? No. Kaya, check this sandwich out. Look at it. It's a banh mi. You want to give it a try? Here. You're going to like it. I promise. Here, I'll dip it in some of your soup so it's a little bit softer. Dip.
That's the pickle?
Yes, that's the pickle. You like it? Oh, here. Just take a bite like this. I'll make it smaller so you can get it. How is it? Wow. Is it good? Nice. Can I have a bite? It's so good. Oh, no. Oh. Oh. Are you okay? Here. Oh, here. Have some milk.
No.
No? Oh, okay. Can I go get water? I'm gonna go get water, okay? Don't eat. You want more of this? No? Are you gonna eat spring roll? I can help you. Here. Like that. There you go. You could dip it if you want to. I'm gonna go get some water, okay? Okay. What happened?
It's
What happened?
glass.
What? You spilled it everywhere.
It's okay. Sorry.
You did. It's okay and sorry? Oh my goodness. You're so silly. You spilled so much. It's all over your hands too. Show your hands. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's finish this up. Oh, what a mess. Here, have a bite of this. Let me dip it here for you. There you go. Chew. Is it delicious? No, I'm gonna have the rest of this one. Is that okay? Let me finish my pho too. What is your favorite? Noodle, spring roll, this pate thing, or the banh mi? What's your favorite? That one? Okay, then have another bite. Let me dip it here for you. You like that dip? Were you hungry?
Just a little.
Just a little hungry? Are you full now? No? Are you gonna eat more?
I'm almost done.
Oh, you're almost done? Okay, you're gonna continue to eat then? Oh, okay. I think you could eat at least a half.
I torchy.
Okay, you like horsey? Uh-huh.
I torchy.
You like horsey? Okay. And then? What else?
Games.
What kind of games?
Mommy games.
Mommy games? What kind of mommy games? What games do you play with mommy? How come you don't play games with daddy? Just mommy?
You don't have it.
Oh, I don't have it? Oh, so you only play games with mommy because she has games? Oh, I see. You're so silly. All right, let's say goodbye. Let's say goodbye to everyone. Ready? Let's do a picture. Should we take a picture? Okay, ready? Put your fork down. Here we go. Go, whoa.
I'm not other.
Oh, yeah. Here we go. Whoa. One more time. Wow.
I put it.
Ew.
Wow.
Okay, say goodbye, everyone. Thanks for watching.
I'm almost done.
Oh, I know. Here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Crunch
I'm
Baby.
not done.
Oh, I know you're not all done. She's going to eat more. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.